In this video, we'll see how to connect Caspio's MCP server to AI tools so that you can query, insert, update, and delete records using natural language. This is incredibly powerful because it removes the need to write complex queries or build custom interfaces. Your AI tool becomes a direct, conversational layer on top of your data. Whether you're exploring KPIs, updating records on the fly, or quickly pulling insights, this approach can dramatically speed up how you work with your applications. Before we jump in, there are just a couple of things you'll need. You'll want an account with an AI tool, which currently includes ChatGPT and Claude, and most likely a paid plan since free tiers typically don't support custom MCP connections. From the Caspio side, you'll be creating a web services profile, which provides the credentials your AI tool will use to authenticate. To set this up, create a new profile and make sure to clear the Enable Access to All Objects checkbox before saving. If you already have a profile, you can use that instead. Then open the profile's permissions and choose which tables and views you want to expose, along with the actions you want to allow. It's recommended to start with read data only, and once you're comfortable, you can expand access to include insert, update, and delete. After that, open the profile and copy your client ID, client secret, and integration URL to a notepad. You'll be using these in the next step. With that ready, head over to ChatGPT and enable developer mode under Settings, then Apps, and Advanced Settings, depending on your account. From there, go to Apps and click Create App. Then enter a name and description. In the MCP server URL field, enter https://mcp.caspio.com/mcp. Set authentication to OAuth. Confirm the required checkbox and click Create. When prompted, you'll be taken to the Caspio MCP server sign-in screen, where you'll enter your integration URL, client ID, and client secret from your web services profile, then click Connect. Once connected, you're ready to start interacting with your data using natural language. Click on the drop-down and select your newly created connection. Now let's see what we can do. I will be exploring a table that contains 500,000 sales entries. For example, you could run a prompt like, using the table cc_table_sales, build a dashboard with multiple charts showing most important KPIs I should be aware of. And your AI tool will translate that into real database operations behind the scenes. Within just a few seconds, ChatGPT will come back with the charts that show meaningful stats for your team to review. What makes this truly powerful is that you're no longer limited to static reports or manual setup. You can instantly generate dynamic dashboards, refine them on the fly, and drill deeper just by asking follow-up questions like break this down by region, add a month-over-month comparison, or highlight anomalies. In seconds, you go from raw data to actionable insights without writing queries, designing charts, or switching tools. It's like having a data analyst and a dashboard builder working alongside in real time, turning your ideas into fully functional visuals and insights as fast as you can think of them. The Caspio MCP server opens up a whole new layer of flexibility when building and managing your applications. For more info on Caspio's MCP server, please visit our knowledge base at howto.caspio.com. Thanks for watching.